got them eyes looking through to the sunrise. It's too easy, man, it's plain to see. You're making my dreams come alive in the nighttime. Your body making room up in my memory, yeah. Baby, you're an angel. Baby, you're the one. Baby, you're the only girl that I could ever want.
Good morning. Today is Wednesday. It's a super busy day. I thought I would take you guys along, show you guys a little bit of my routine. I typically wake up an hour early so that I can hit snooze and watch YouTube videos. It's pretty much my only very dedicated time to catch up on my subscriptions and interact with you guys. If I'm gonna spend an hour in bed, then I have to wake up earlier. So I woke up today at 7:30 because I actually have a workout class scheduled for 9:45 with Katie. We've been going to bar for actually since the start of the term. We both don't have class until 12, so it's really easy just to be able to procrastinate and sit in bed and not be productive, which is not what you want to do. This morning, I'm going to make my to-do list for the day on this little notepad. I actually got everything crossed off my list yesterday, which was a miracle. Sometimes I do this the night before if I can't fall asleep as a way to just empty my mind out onto this piece of paper, but this morning, I'm ready to go. I've got a lot of things to do. I've got a midterm. I've got class for a lot of hours today. This is my longest day of class, so we're gonna write it all down so I can cross it off and feel productive as I go through the day.
You're the only girl that I could ever love.
To-do list is made. I've got all my tasks. This morning before I go to bar, I want to get my laundry started so that when I come back, I can switch it. I'm gonna finish drinking my tea. We're gonna make some toast. I'm gonna show you guys my avocado toast recipe. I've refined it. And the other thing that's always a part of my morning routine is that I always make my bed, 100% of the time. Actually, let's do that now. I got all dressed for the workout class. It is now time to make breakfast because I'm actually really hungry. So, avocado recipe, here we go. Here's an overview of all the ingredients that we use. Taylor and I love this bread from Trader Joe's. It's just the sourdough bread. And then obviously we have our ripe avocado. And then the secret is instead of lemon, I actually used lime. And I have a bunch here because some of these are kind of hard, so I don't know how much juice they're gonna give us, but we're gonna try to use them up. And then I figured out that all the coffee shops use cilantro that's diced up just a little bit to mix in with the avocado, and it tastes so good. So that's what I do now. And then of course we have salt, pepper, and the balsamic glaze. This stuff is the best. I got it at Whole Foods. Sometimes I do these mini grape tomatoes and I top my toast with that, or sometimes I'll mix it up. I think today I'm gonna do cucumber, very thinly sliced, and then drizzle the glaze on top. And then I also have this everything but the bagel seasoning. I don't know if I love the one at Trader Joe's. Let me know how you guys feel about it because it's very hyped, but I think this one's better. Bose sent this one to me actually, and we've been using it. Whoa. So yeah, let's let the toast making begin. Thank you. This is gonna be a good one because the avocado was very ripe and it was literally the most perfect avocado I've ever seen. And then we had cilantro, so we really did the full. And I forgot about mine. I know, you have to put on your sweatshirt. Look at our Rose Bowl sweatshirts. T1 has the dark gray one. Oh my God, I have less than 15 minutes. Oh wait, actually I have a cup in my room. Us in our mugs. I think I have just enough time to start my laundry. This would be such an accomplishment. We're doing it, we're sending it. Actually, maybe we have room for one more towel. Katie?
Good morning.
Good morning. Good morning.
How goes it?
Oh, she made the beautiful smoothie.
She did.
Okay, bye Tifuan.
Bye, Timon. Love you.
Guys, Katie just, whoa.
What's happening? Don't we just
Sure, just hold it.
to hold her?
Tell them what you just told me.
I look ill.
Fitness mom.
So there's this fitness mom in our bar classes that we admire. Like,
She's awesome.
yeah, pretty much we want to be this fitness mom. She's beautiful. And then yesterday we found out that her husband is an emergency room nurse, and I knew that Kiara would just lose it.
That means she's literally living my dream life. Work out, take care. Well, actually no, then I would want to be the nurse too.
Yeah, I'm confused why that's her dream
but
life.
I thought she only comes, no, she literally comes every day because we've
She
got
does not work.
Thursdays too.
Homegirl
there's
does
no
not work.
way.
No.
Unless she works nights. Let's give her the benefit of the doubt.
I think that she like goes to Nectar after her workout and gets a smoothie and
Probably. And then like, oh, 3 o'clock.
goes grocery shopping. We don't know her story though, so
we don't know.
yeah.
But
I'm not
anyway,
sure.
what we do know is she's a hard worker. But
Dude,
she's like
her
catches
butt
low.
is like this far from the ground.
Yeah, that's true. She squats low every time.
I can't, I'm not flexible enough to do that.
She knows the class so well that she can practically run it. Like the instructor goes off to the side.
She could lead
and
the
she's
class.
like,
maybe we'll catch a little glimpse of
yeah,
workout,
too
Mom.
bad we can't film in there.
Oh, I know, but we can't. That'd be so weird.
We got our perfect parking spot right in front of bar.
Anytime you vlog, I'm sick. Literally
That's
every
honestly
single time.
true.
And I'm not sick that often.
Oh my
Like, I
god.
get
Or
sick once a
any
term.
of my friends are sick. Remember the LA vlog where Taylor's like hacking up a lung?
Both of us were. That airplane ride home, we were both like,
I know, and I was like, help me. We're gonna go work out and it's gonna be good. We will talk to you guys in a sec. Katie made these little
me and Maddie.
oh, and Maddie
And
and other
Maddie.
people. Okay, it's not focusing. You're gonna have to get a clip.
Wait, that's crazy.
Wait, that's so cool.
This is that they just got put up.
Oh.
I'm shook. Oh my god, they're across the whole bridge. That's wild.
You
Also,
made
that was a pretty hard workout.
Don't leave me.
In like 30 minutes, I'm gonna go over to Taylor if you want to come.
Oh, I have class at noon.
I do too.
Oh, you're just gonna get something to go.
Yeah.
I can't spend money. I'm cutting myself off. I went yesterday. Bye. Just got home. I'm gonna change my laundry really quick. And then I have 2 more things that I need to get done before I have class at noon. I need to eat lunch, and then I need to study for my midterm. It's actually an open note midterm, so I'm not like extremely stressed about it, but I still need to study for it. I have a new video going up today at 1, so I need to add a couple links to it because I think I forgot to link some stuff. If you haven't seen it, it's actually a pretty fun video because I'm really proud of it. It was the most productive thing I've done in 2020 so far. So if you want to go check it out, I'll link it somewhere up here. Today on the menu for lunch, we have this delicious meal that I actually made last night for dinner. It's so good. It was coconut lime chicken, and then I added a bunch of veggies in it. It looks really gross right now because it's not warm, so let me warm this. Keep forgetting what I'm supposed to be doing. Yes, the links. Laptop. This is the dish. It's got chicken, rice, yellow bell peppers, snow peas, cilantro, lime, coconut milk, ginger, and then I'm still trying to hunt for the bins so that I can link them appropriately, which is honestly kind of hard to do because there's a lot of bins on Target. Alright, I just got out of class. We're done with physics. I just have my midterm to take in about an hour, and then I have physics tutorial later, so The day is still going on, but I thought I would end the video because I'm just gonna be studying for my midterm. If you guys like these type of videos and want to see a night routine or a full day in my life, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and leave me a comment down below. Let me know what is the key thing in your morning routine. For me, it's probably making my bed. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day and a wonderful week, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.